Yeah, man, from Ivany, look case I go and be a judge and lawyer. From cartel, wanna go and be a social media judge and lawyer, you see it. But you don't know. We always know say Jamaica full of over people and things, you see it. But the lady, she dey overseas. She named Tanya. She hosts the podcast and name whatever go international, you see it. And she there and she say, yo, she read up Ivany with some six, I use 6 card, I read up Ivany, you see it. And yeah, man, I'm not too there. Me not really believe in them things still now, but should I talk up some things what we know say either go that way or the other way. Is it? We know say either road, but we feel say mostly say yo, she come a road, come a yard still when me say road. Is it? Yeah, man, but she born a little time for a little thing where she do one thing. Is it? And later you talk up something so. That video forwarding up. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV. You see it? Yeah, man. And you also can follow on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. Big up the return viewers them a return all while and watch your channel. You see it? Yeah, man. Blessed upon yourself.
The second card, because I pulled 6 cards for you. The second card that I pull for you is Judgment. It's the Judgment card. See? The Judgment card, Ivany. It's the Judgment card. Not because it's a Judgment card doesn't mean it's evil card, okay? The Judgment card instigate that the Obian man want 25K to pay a lawyer. He might do everything in his powers to get the 25K to pay your lawyer. Me not think it relevant. Cheese is to be deported. You see him Obian man predict that same I gonna do everything run across my nation, forget rid of cheese, right? And all that shit. You understand them something then alright. So, Vani, you're living calmer. I don't know what you did in your past, but this karma coming back to haunt you. What you sow is what you shall reap. There is something going on in your life that your people, it'll come back, come haunt you. Take a sit back in your jail cell and think about all the innocent people who you do bad. Because this judgment card is here to remind Ivany of all the judgment you did. And the first card I'm going to pull for you was the 7 and 1. You understand? You can't win your case with the 7 and 1, but you have fight for a stronghold in a somebody position when now work out. You understand? There is changes with the 7 and 1s. But it's a circle, a cycle that you need to change about you. Something going on with a cycle in your life. You understand me? Don't wonder too much. Don't kill out yourself too much. You get an opportunity and a chance to sit in a quiet place and rethink everything what you do to people. Rethink your life. Think about your son and try to get a new goal for your life, because this at the end of your old cycle, and this now where you're into becomes a new cycle in your life, and this are the circle where you're going to turn to make your life better. But you have to take heed. It might come to you like this, but you see, after that storm, yeah, wherever country you reach, there is a positive being there for you. There is something more greater than in America await you anywhere you go. Even if the Americans them decide say them are gonna put you back out in America, there is something great coming in your life, Ivany. But you gotta change this cycle of your life. Evil are controlling you, and you have to let it go before it's too late. Be happy, because there is new beginning with the judgment card. Be happy. New beginnings with the judgment card. New, you are going to pay for it now. You see your past, boo-boo, it's coming back. Me hear somebody online say, They might dig up your background down at Jamaica. My heart, the energy we are run through me feel. I'm sorry for we are going through you, but you have to pay the consequences of what you do to other people. You understand me? Your past is coming back to haunt you. ICE is going to dig up the four corners of the universe on your name back in Jamaica. All file, all background, all jail, all everything is going to go through a higher investigation. So hold tight because this is your karma. Whatever you're running from, they're gonna see it. Whatever you do, they're gonna see it. And this is just sad, but it's something that you have to live because you are the cause of this. There are 6 people in your life that trying to rip you down. I don't know who them 6 people is, but they all are close to you on social media because you and them are friends. You got to figure that out. I can't tell you everything. The third card when I pull upon you. The third card when I pull upon you is your past issues, right? The first reading when me give you is your current situation. Your current situation was the fighting with your baby father, the holy judgment where your baby father got you over the son, the changes in your life where you need the cycle will need to come to an end so you can have a new beginning. That is the current situation. The second one is the helpful challenges of energy. The one them want me tell you about, the helpful challenges of energy. That means say, you are fight karma. That's the judgment karma. That's the energy where you fight your karma. Karma is the judgment card. You understand me? The karma, the evil, the degradation, the holy passing where you do to your friend and your family and your past loved ones. All of the madness, crazy. You also have now and all of them something there. That is the judgment card. That's the energy. That's where you fight yourself with. The third card now is the 6 of sword, the basic of the situation. The 6 of sword is just the basic of the situation. So this basic of the situation is this. You see, 6 sword, point down, a woman, you see? You're gonna cross the water. The lady in the boat, the 6 sword, your 6 enemy, and you in the middle. It's a life lesson learn. You see them 6 people that were you having in your life? Them close to you. And you notice them are come with you over the water. And you met the 7th one. Just like when we start the reading with the 7 of sword. You notice so you're in the boat, I go over the water with 3rd card. That's the basic of the situation. You're not gonna stay here. Don't get your hopes up. You have to go because that's how your cycle is about to change and things is gonna be better. You're gonna come down to a different level in your life. You're gonna get all the chance in the world to think over all the shit you do wrong, and you're gonna make sure you be a better person after that lesson. Yeah. This is a lesson that you need to learn. And meanwhile you're learning, you need to pick sense out of nonsense. Who with you and who against you. The less your friend them talk about you on social media, and the better for your case. That's the 3rd card. We're gonna go rise to the 4th card. The 4th card say is what is behind you, right? That's the 4th card. What is behind you? The King of Wands. Let's see what the King of Wands mean. The King of Wands. That's the fourth card pull for Ivany. I do not give you three card reading. I give you 6. Because you're not falling under the 3. You're falling under the 6, 6, 6. So I got to give you the 6 card reading, honey. Your energy, your background, the things you do, the evil, the ego, your hype, your bossiness, your disrespect, the things them that you do, it's the karma coming back to haunt you, and you need to change your life. I'm sorry that you gotta learn like this, but you're gonna learn the right and proper way so you don't get caught up again when better things come. So your fourth card reading is the King of Wands. The King of Wands. That's the fourth card reading. The King of Wands. And the King of Wands stated, and it look, fire over your head. Fire. See? The King of Wands is the way it have over the head of the king. Fire. Fire over your head. That's the burning judgment that's going down on you. It's the fire over you. You need fear motivate. You need fear think. You need fear prepare yourself for the next cycle. What is about to turn in your life. You are too impatient. You are too controlling. And you're overconfident. Your arrogance and your ego. This is it right here. You need to chill. You cannot change nothing that's going on in your life right now, Ivany. This is side spiritual advisor. You cannot change a goddamn thing right now in your life because the cup for you is full and it's running over. And I'm so sorry I have to let you know that it's not just you. It's a lot of you up here going through this. Too much hype, too much ego. And we don't have too much of that up here with people when I get what we don't have. Hate, set up, deceit. You understand? Whatever you are doing, got to stop. You are smart, intelligent, and you have a good speaking ability, can speak to people, especially being a motivational speaker. You understand me? The time where you have in jail, Ivany, farm you a crew so you can do some motivational help. You can help a lot of people right there where you are and run the time. Because this time is going to be a long time. So put all your pain, your hurt, your anger into motivating others. Learn something, do something to change the cycle in your life, because that's what's going on now. Can't say 12 side never tell you. We're moving on now to the fifth card. With these two last cards, the 5th and the 6th card. The 5th card gonna tell you what about to finalize a little bit. You understand? Yeah. It's about to tell you the thoughts, what's going on in the situation in your life, Ivan. You understand the FIFA card? It's gonna tell you what's going on in your situation right now. You understand me? That's what's going on right now. And it's this card. I'm sorry, but you get this card. I pulled the card for you, Ivany. The card I pulled for you. That's the 5th reading. This card is gonna work with the last card together to finalize your happenings. Understand me? So this is hard, and I'm gonna tell you what it stands for. Hard. One phase of your life taken away. And there comes a new beginning in your life. See, your old ways, your old vibes, your old evilness, your old wickedness, it dead yasso. With this card, the major change, major transformation gonna go on in your life when everything wind down to the nitty gritty. You hear what I'm changing? Changes is coming. Lot of changes is coming. It may not look bright for you right now, but trust and believe me, the changes that coming to your life, so grateful. You're gonna be so happy. You're not even gonna remember these days of the trouble and trial that you're going through right now. You see the trouble and the trial where you go through right now with Ivany, I fi cut you down, fi quiet you, fi turn your heart, fi change you, fi mold you into a better person. You got a son now. All doing, you got to look past. You got to let go your baby daddy. He's not in love with you. American man no love nobody. Not all of them. You're wasting your time with that young boy, Owie. Young American boy not take nobody serious. You don't even know if this man now run the street and go both ways, man and woman. If him can't settle with you and you is not an ugly girl, you think him gonna settle with nobody else? You are holding a position in somebody's life that do not want to be bothered with you. And you are selling yourself short with the six card. And the six card work with the fifth card because the six card is gonna just lick the nail on the hammer, close out the reading with that last reading of the six card. So Ivany can have an idea of where she stand and what's gonna happen. You're gonna get freedom, but I don't think you're gonna get the freedom for this country. As I tell you, the 4 card, the 3rd card, the 3 card show you on a boat with 6 sword turned down in the board around you. That is the jail.
Yeah, man. Anybody who reach us so and you want to hear what the 6 card say, you just go check out whatever go international with Tanya. You see it. She dey on YouTube. She dey all over, man. Just we'll leave a link to our channel where you can go watch the full video right this there.